Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make crumpets, a traditional British tea time treat. Let's get started. Prepare some warm water. Make sure the temperature is not higher than 40 degrees. Add some sugar. Add some yeast. Then mix them well. I also need bread flour mixed with baking powder and some salt. Mix them all. Add the fluid we made before. I used an electric mixer for 3 minutes first. Then scrape down the loose flour on the side. And give a good whisk for another 3 minutes until there is no flour or lumps. Cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. The dough is ready. Let's make crumpets. I used a non-stick fry pan and prepared the temperature at 190. Then grease the metal ring by some melted butter. Brush a little butter to the pan as well. Fill the ring no more than half. Make sure there is enough room for the dough to rise. You will see lots of bubbles like this after around 5 minutes. When the edge becomes solid, it's time to remove the ring. After another 3 minutes, when most part change the color, it's time to flip over. It will be ready in 2 to 3 minutes. My recipe is enough to make 4 crumpets. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so each crumpet costs me 17 cents. I'm going to enjoy the crumpets with butter. Thanks for watching my video.